If you like to edit photos professionally, Lightroom for mobile has it all. Once the application is downloaded, its interface is very easy to use. In the Libraries section at the bottom right you will find two options, Import Photo or Take Photo. At the bottom we will have several items that we can explore. How to trim, where we will have default trimming settings. The light part where we can adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites and blacks. Color, where we can adjust temperature, hue, intensity, and saturation. If we want to fix a specific color in the upper right part of the color section, where it says mix, we can choose the color we want and fix it. We have the part of effects, details, optics, among others that are options that we can explore by testing them one by one. If you just want to put filter, in the profiles section we will find preset filters that we can also edit, and we have about 30. To save, just tap on the share icon at the top right, where several options are displayed, including the save option. We can also share photos with friends or family and edit them. In the training section you will find tutorials to learn more about the program and learn how to edit better. And finally, in the Discover part we can see photos with step-by-step editing. Here you can edit your photos in a pro way.